back to Frederica Nation, you all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. But today we're going to do an amazing video. And it's a simple video. But some people just don't know how to do it. So I'm going to video to show you all how to curl your hair with a flat iron. Now, you can use this method with your natural hair, or you can use this method with weave or whatever. I'm going to show you an easy way how you can use the flat iron to curl your hair. Now, your natural hair or weave or whatever, it doesn't matter. The same method will be applied to both. So, what you're going to need, of course, is a flat iron, and you're going to need a brush and a comb, and you're going to need some hair moisturizer, whichever you prefer of your hair. I've already done all of that. I had washed my hair, conditioned it yesterday, washed it, conditioned it, and I actually flat ironed it yesterday. But today I want to show you all how to curl it, because I want some curls in my hair today, and I'm going to be doing it on my natural hair. So as you can see, I have my bonnet on, but I'm going to snatch this off, and I got it slicked back in a ponytail, but I'm going to just actually take the hair scrunchie off. Okay, and so I'm going to just brush it in the direction of how I'm going to curl it. So I'm going to have a part and throw some curls in it here and there. I'm not going to curl all of my hair, but I just want some curls maybe like on the top a little bit, and the rest I want it to just hang. So I brushed it, and now I'm about to part it in the middle because I want a middle part. Like I was telling you all, I want it to be done like that. So let me look in this mirror, because it's hard looking in the camera trying to part my hair. So I think that's pretty straight, as straight as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna leave it like that. But yeah, my hair has grown tremendously. I've been trying to take care of it the best way I can. So if you want to know how I get my hair to grow and the regimen that I use, comment in the description below, and comment down below, and I will do a video about it if you want to know how I get my hair to grow. Last year, my friend came from Atlanta. She's a master hairstylist, and she cut my hair, and it was up to my neck because I had a lot of dead ends, split ends and stuff, so it was necessary. But I wanted my hair to grow back out, and I was able to grow it back out. So let me take a piece of my hair, and I just want to show you all how you can actually curl your natural hair with a flat iron. So I'm taking a piece of my hair right here. Okay, now I got the flat iron. So what I usually do is straighten it first. I usually straighten it. Okay, give it a little bump. You see that little bump at the end? Now this is how you curl your hair with a flat iron. So you take the flat iron. Okay, don't go to the end like this and curl. It's not gonna curl right. If you want tight curls, this is what you're gonna want to do. Now if you want loose curls, you can do that method. If you want loose curls, you can go all the way to the end and just curl like this at the end. Okay, with the flat irons. If you want loose curls, okay. But if you're looking for tight curls, you see how that curl? Now, and it's loose, it's not tight up here. But if you're looking for some tight curls, you're going to want to do it like this. You're going to want to take the flat iron, and you're going to want to go ahead and curl it right then and there. And you're going to want to wrap your hair around the flat iron. And keep twisting it. Keep twisting it around, and keep taking your hair and wrapping it around. So it can go ahead and give it a tight curl up here, you know. So you're going to want to keep doing that, okay, and then it's going to give you a tight curl, and then let that set for a couple of seconds, and see how that came tighter than the last curl. So this is how you curl your hair. Now it depends on what curl pattern you're looking for. If you're looking for a tight curl, that's how you would do it. And you see how short it made my hair look because this is called a tight curl. Some people hold it like that. I don't know why, because it really wouldn't make a difference. Now, if I want a loose curl, let me do this one more time. If I want a loose curl, I wouldn't start up here. I would start down here. Okay, and just curl like towards the end. So the ends will be more curly than the top. That's called a loose curl, and that's how you would do it with a flat iron. Okay, and then you'll let it go. See how it just drops? So I hope this video helped you some way, somehow, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish up curling my hair. Make sure you thumbs up if you like this video. Like I said, if you want to know how I got my hair to grow and my hair growth regimen, comment down below and I will do a video about it, but upon your request. Until then, thank you, thumbs up, come back here to Frederica Nation. See ya.